What if I told you beginners are making money online right now using ChatGPT, even with zero experience? Fast Money Marion here, and today I'm showing you how beginners are using ChatGPT to make money online fast.
Before ChatGPT, beginners needed years of experience to compete online. Now AI helps people work faster than ever before.
Businesses and creators constantly need content, ideas, marketing, captions, scripts, and online help. All you really need is internet, a phone or laptop, and consistency. One of the easiest ways beginners are making money is creating social media content using ChatGPT. ChatGPT can write captions, TikTok scripts, YouTube descriptions, email marketing, and business posts in seconds.
Go on Instagram and search for local businesses with weak content or low engagement.
Message businesses offering free sample captions or content ideas. Message businesses offering free sample captions or content ideas. One client can completely change your confidence online. YouTubers and TikTok creators constantly need fresh video ideas and scripts.
How about a video on short-form content hacks? Yes, pair it with AI tools for brainstorming.
Great, let's outline it now. ChatGPT can generate hooks, titles, scripts, and viral content ideas almost instantly. You can sell script packs, content calendars, or viral hooks to creators. Creators pay because content consistency is hard. AI helps speed everything up. The biggest advantage beginners have right now is speed. Watch this. In under a second, it processes a terabyte of data. While others are still catching up, beginners are already ahead. Businesses constantly need product descriptions, emails, blog posts, and website content. An AI writing assistant can generate all of this professional content automatically, saving you time and effort. You can sell these services on Fiverr, Upwork, or directly to businesses online. Businesses pay for convenience. If ChatGPT helps you save them time, you become valuable. I need to hire a remote freelancer for a project. Tasks that used to take hours can now take minutes. You don't even need to show your face online anymore to build income. Most beginners spend too much time learning and not enough time taking action. Most people online succeed because they stayed consistent longer than everybody else. Here's your challenge. Pick one ChatGPT service, create one sample, and message 20 businesses today.
Don't wait until you feel ready. Most successful people started before they knew everything.
AI is only becoming more powerful. Businesses will continue paying people who know how to use these tools. Most people are still sleeping on this opportunity. A year from now, you'll either be thankful you started today or wish you had. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to Fast Money Marion, and comment AI Money below. Remember, you don't need to know everything to start. You just need to start.